young explorers, let's dive into the world of sea creatures and learn some unique facts about your favorite sea animals. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are fascinating marine reptiles known for their long migrations and distinctive shell patterns. Some common species include the loggerhead, green, and leatherback turtles. Crabs are crustaceans with a hard exoskeleton, 10 limbs, and a broad, flattened body. They inhabit various environments, from oceans to freshwater and land. Notable for their sideways walking, crabs come in diverse species, such as the blue crab and king crab, each with unique characteristics. Duck. Ducks are waterfowl known for their webbed feet, distinctive quacking sounds, and waterproof feathers. They come in various species, like the mallard and wood duck. Frog. Frogs are amphibians characterized by their smooth, moist skin, webbed feet, and unique life cycle involving tadpoles. They play vital roles in ecosystems by controlling insect populations. Whale shark. The whale shark is the world's largest fish, known for its enormous size and distinctive spotted pattern. Despite its size, it primarily feeds on plankton and small fish. Lobster. Lobsters are crustaceans with hard exoskeletons, claws, and a long body. Octopuses are intelligent marine animals with soft bodies and tentacles equipped with suckers. Great white shark. Great white sharks have around 300 teeth and may go through thousands in their lifetime. Seashell. Seashells are the protective outer coverings of various marine animals. Sea otter. Sea otters are marine mammals known for their playful behavior and use of tools, such as rocks. Seahorse. Male seahorses give birth and can carry up to 2,000 tiny seahorse babies. Polar bear. Polar bears are iconic carnivores inhabiting the Arctic region. Manta ray. Manta rays are the largest rays and can have a wingspan of over 20 feet. Walrus. Walruses use their tusks for various tasks, including pulling themselves out of the water and breaking ice. Squid. Some squid species have the ability to propel themselves out of the water for short distances. Whale. Blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, have hearts that can weigh as much as a small car. Crab. Crabs communicate by drumming on the seafloor using their pincers. Orcas, or killer whales, are highly intelligent and social marine mammals belonging to the dolphin family. They are known for their distinctive black and white coloration and are apex predators, feeding on fish, seals, and even whales. Orcas are renowned for their complex communication, tight-knit family groups, and impressive hunting strategies. Sea snail. Some sea snails have shells with vibrant patterns and colors. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have wide, flattened heads that help them detect prey more efficiently. Pufferfish inflate themselves into a ball as a defense mechanism when threatened. Sea turtles can migrate thousands of miles between feeding and nesting areas. Jellyfish have no brain or heart but are capable of stunningly graceful movements in the water. Clownfish change gender. When the dominant female dies, the largest male becomes a female. Hermit crabs use discarded shells as portable homes and can be quite picky about them. Sharks don't get cavities. Their teeth are coated in fluoride, making them cavity resistant. Blue tang fish, like Dory in Finding Nemo, have a short-term memory of about 10 seconds. Starfish can regenerate lost arms, and some species have remarkable powers of self-healing. Some tuna species can swim at speeds of up to 75 kilometers per hour, 47 miles per hour. Dolphins have signature whistles, similar to human names, and use them to identify and communicate with each other. Penguins mate for life and often propose to their partners with pebbles.
Dolphins are intelligent marine mammals that can communicate with each other through a series of clicks and whistles. Frogs are amphibians that can jump great distances and make unique croaking sounds. Sea turtles are reptiles that travel thousands of miles in the ocean and return to the same beach to lay their eggs. Sharks are ancient predators with cartilage instead of bones and come in various shapes and sizes. Crabs are crustaceans with hard shells and walk sideways. Octopuses have 3 hearts and can change the color and texture of their skin to blend into their surroundings. Crocodiles are ancient reptiles known for their powerful jaws and live in both water and on land. Blue tangs are commonly found in the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific, particularly in coral reefs. Starfish are not actually fish, they're marine animals with multiple arms that can regenerate if one is lost. Pufferfish can puff up like a balloon to scare away predators. Hammerhead sharks. They have oddly shaped heads that help them detect prey. Great white sharks are known for their large serrated teeth and are powerful swimmers. Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the ocean, but they're gentle giants. Alligators are reptiles with powerful jaws and live in swamps and rivers. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, and their hearts are the size of a small car. Lobster. Lobsters are crustaceans with strong claws and are often red when cooked. Clownfish. Clownfish live among the tentacles of sea anemones and have a special relationship with them. Seahorse. Seahorses are small, unique fish with a curled tail and swim upright. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are known for their acrobatic jumps and beautiful songs. Manta ray. Manta rays are graceful sea creatures that can have a wingspan as wide as a car. Sea snail. Sea snails are mollusks that live in beautiful spiral shells. Stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies and sometimes have a stinger on their tail. Goblin shark. Goblin sharks have a strange, long, and pointy snout with sharp teeth. Seal. Seals are playful and social marine mammals that spend time both in the water and on land. Polar bear. Polar bears are expert swimmers and the largest land carnivores, perfectly adapted to the Arctic. Lemon shark. Lemon sharks are yellowish in color and are found in warm, tropical waters. Gray sharks. Gray sharks are powerful swimmers and are often gray with a white underbelly. Walrus. Walruses are large marine mammals with long tusks, known for their blubbery bodies. Dolphin. Dolphins are intelligent marine mammals that can communicate with each other through a series of clicks and whistles. Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds known for their tuxedo-like appearance and their ability to fly underwater. Squid. Squid have long tentacles and beaks, and some species are bioluminescent.